Hey, what's up? You looking for the channel that covers all things photography? You're in the right place. Hit the subscribe button now. What's up, peeps? I'm Jade Holding for Photo Factor. Welcome to chapter 6 of getting to know some Photoshop basics. In this session, I'm going to show you how to get rid of unwanted objects in your image. And let me tell you, them guys at Adobe are so smart to have created software that is able to, just with the click of a button, remove stuff that just like that is gone. Now, I'll tell you, if I didn't know any better, I would be gobsmacked. I would probably burn them guys at Adobe at the stake for witchcraft. This stuff will blow your mind. So in this first session, I'm going to show you how to make use of the spot healing brush tool. Let's dive straight in. Right, and so I have this image here open of the beautiful Tony. Thanks, Tony, for letting us use this image. And so it's worth just zooming into the image, and we just go over here to the magnifying tool and we can click in, and if we hold down the space bar, you'll see the cursor changes to that panning tool, and I can just look around the image and see if there's any objects in the pic that I might want to remove that could be spoiling the image. And the first thing I notice is this cat hair. Anybody with pets will know when you wear black clothes, the hair just shows up from a mile away. And so it's actually really easy to get rid of this. Let's just zoom in a little bit more. I'm not going to go over the whole shirt for this tutorial. I'm just going to go over little areas just to illustrate how simple it is. And what we're going to use is the spot healing brush tool, which you'll find here in the tools panel. It is the 4, 5, 6, 7th tool to the left. And we click on that and we head on over to the image. Oh, my cursor over there is tiny. Let's just make it a little bit bigger, like so. And it's really a simple matter of clicking, holding down your mouse key and just brushing over that area and letting go. Wow, I really find that amazing. Photoshop's so clever. Thanks to the guys at Photoshop for making this so easy for us. And we just work our way around the image, paint. Remember to hold down the mouse key, drag over the area you want to brush, and slowly work your way around the whole image, getting rid of all these unwanted, nasty little pet, furry creature hairs all over the show. So I think it's wise to just keep your brush tool relatively small to the area that you want to cover. If you make it too large and try and do large areas in one go, like that, notice, I don't know if you can see that, I'm not really too happy with that result. So let's just undo that by hitting Command Z or Control Z on a PC. Rather make use of smaller brushes and do little areas at a time, and you'll end up getting a much more pleasing result. Anyway, I strongly advise that you go and play with this tool. It's a real game changer. So you'll notice here in the options bar of this tool, there are some variations as to how you can use this tool, and I would suggest you go around through each one and just see what they do. But for now, yeah, so content aware is the default, and just go ahead and play. I'd love to see your results. See what I mean? That is magic right there. So easy peasy. Do play around with that and see what kind of results you can achieve. Let me know in the comments if you're having much success or if anything's unclear to you. If you're getting value out of these tutorials, do give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you at the next video where I'm going to show you how to make use of the clone stamp tool. See you there.